Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all my dear students. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine, staying safe at home with your family. So welcome to the English online lesson with Teacher EU. Today we are going to learn Unit 6 of the Year 4 syllabus under the title Getting Around. We are going to use your Get Smart 4 book, page 64 and 65 as our reference. In this lesson, you are going to Number 1, learn about currency. Number 2, listen to a conversation. And number 3, learn how to buy things. Firstly, now let's go to the vocabulary. Alright, so the first vocabulary is ticket. Ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T. Right, ticket. Ticket dalam bahasa Melayu pun tiket. Tapi spelling dia lain. Alright, in English the spelling is T-I-C-K-E-T. Alright, next we have ringgit and cent. Ringgit, cent. Alright, ringgit is for the paper money, okay, duit kertas. Cent are for the coin, duit shilling. Cheap. Cheap. Next is expensive. Expensive. Okay. Cheap means murah. Okay, as you can see, this one is 50 ringgit. Alright, so it is cheap, murah. Expensive means mahal. Okay, cheap and expensive. Okay, so now we are going to learn about Malaysian currency. Okay, currency means mata wang Malaysia. So in Malaysia, we have two currency which are ringgit and cent. Today we are going to learn how to read the currency. Okay, kita nak belajar macam mana nak baca mata wang Malaysia. Okay, for example, we have here RM 0.20. Okay, how are we going to say this? 20 cent. Okay, kita sebut dia 20 cent. 20 sen jadi 20 cent. RM 5.00. This is how we say it. 5 ringgit. Okay, 5 ringgit, 5 ringgit. RM 13.00. 13 ringgit. RM 13.20. Okay, so it has 20 cent here. 13 ringgit and 20 cent. Okay. Next we have RM 500.00. We have 500 ringgit. Lastly, RM 500.50. Okay. We read it as 500 ringgit and 50 cent. Okay, 500 ringgit 50 sen. Alright, so now boys and girls, let's go to the lesson for the day. Today we are going to learn about buying a bus ticket. Kita nak belajar macam mana nak beli tiket bus. Alright, firstly, let's listen to this conversation. This conversation is taken from your Get Smart book, page 64.
One, listen and read. Then act it out. Change the words in red. Hello.
Hello. Can I help you?
I'd like a ticket for Cyberjaya, please. What time does the bus leave?
The bus for Cyberjaya leaves in 10 minutes.
Is the ticket expensive?
No, it isn't. It's 6 ringgit and 50 cent.
Wow, that's cheap. Okay, one ticket, please.
Here you go. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, so now let's discuss about the conversation that we listened just now. Okay, so the conversation is between this girl and this boy. Okay, they are acting out like a person wants to buy a bus ticket, right? So the girl says she wanted a bus ticket to Cyberjaya. Okay, I like a ticket for Cyberjaya, please. Dia nak pergi Cyberjaya, dia nak beli tiket bus. Right, and then the girl asks, what time does the bus leave? Pukul berapa bus tu bergerak? So the boy answers, the bus for Cyberjaya leaves in 10 minutes. Right, maksudnya bus nak pergi Cyberjaya ni nak bergerak lagi 10 minit. So the girl asks again, is the ticket expensive? Tiket tu mahal tak? No, it isn't. Tak, it's RM6.50. Right, harga dia RM6.50. Wow, that's cheap. Itu murah. Okay, one ticket please. So she asked for one ticket. Here you go. Bye. Thank you and bye. Okay. Alright, so now let's look at the sentence structure. Okay, take a look at this picture. This is a drink and this is the price of the drink. So how are we going to ask about the price? Macam mana kita nak tanya harga dia? Right? Okay, this is how we can ask. How much is it? Kita boleh tanya macam ni. Kita guna ayat ni. How much is it? How much is it maksud dia berapa harga benda ni. Alright? We use is it. Kita guna is it because the thing is singular. Sebab benda tu satu. So kita guna is. Right? So how are we going to answer? Macam mana kita nak jawab? Firstly, we can answer like this. It's RM2.50. Okay, it's RM2.50. So we can answer like this. Or we can say it's $2.50. Kalau tak nak jawab macam ni, kita boleh jawab macam ni. Jawab it's $2.50. $2.50 maksudnya RM2.50. RM2.50. Right? Okay. Next example. Okay, here we have 3 items. 1, 2, 3. 3 items and each item costs RM6.50. So how are we going to ask? Macam ni kita nak tanya harga dia? Okay, we can say, how much are they? How much are they? We use are they because it is plural. Kita guna are they sebab dia banyak, dia lebih daripada satu. Okay, tadi kita guna is it. Now we use are they. So how are we going to answer? They're RM6.50 each. Okay, this is how we answer. Kita jawab 6. They're RM6.50 each. Or ataupun kita boleh jawab they're $6.50 each. $6.50 maksudnya RM6.50 juga. Okay, so this is how you can answer this question. Okay, ada 2 cara boleh jawab soalan macam ni. Alright, so now we have come to the task for today. Okay. For today, you have to do the worksheets given. You can either print or copy it in your blue exercise book. Okay, I am going to give you 2 worksheets. Alright, what you have to do is you can either write it down or print it out and paste it in your blue exercise book. But I prefer if you write them. Okay, right. The first worksheet is how much do they cost? Look and write. Okay, so you have to look at the picture and you look at the price. Tengok gambar, tengok harga. Okay, so number 1, the price is RM13.59. So you have to write, it's RM13.59. Okay, so number 2, look at picture number 2, look at the price, write the price here. Okay, 3 until number 6, you do the same. Okay, alright. Okay, now as for the second worksheet, you have to read and write. Okay, so there are some pictures here and together with the pictures are the price of the items. Okay, so example number 1, blank the gloves. They're RM45.90. Right, so what do you have to write here is you have to write whether how much are or how much is. Okay, remember are, how much are we use for plural, more than one. How much is we use for singular untuk satu. Right? So glove. Glove, there are two of them. So we use how much are the gloves. Okay? Alright, so this also you have to copy it in your blue exercise book. Alright? Okay, so that's all, guys. Alright? If you have any questions, feel free to ask me through the WhatsApp or Telegram. So take care and don't forget to study. Goodbye.